When you are tired, the things you crave are likely to be conventional comfort foods, such as large dinners, takeout, fried foods, sweet foods, and alcohol. Let's face it, when we are stressed or upset about something, we have all found solace in a delicious meal and a bottle of beer or glass of wine. This, though, is not a long term option. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. Everything you watch here is for educational purposes and does not serve as a medical advice. Make sure you consult your doctor before taking any health decision. You may feel better momentarily when you eat unhealthy things, but you will feel bad in the long term. When the body doesn't get enough nutrients, it becomes less energetic, lethargic, and in some cases, unable to concentrate and focus. All of which will add to your tension levels. Stress relieving foods. If you've been feeling more anxious than normal recently, it's vital to know which foods to eat and which to stop when it comes to reducing stress and helping you cope with anxiety and stress. The easiest way to combat stress is to eat a nutritious, well-balanced diet that contains a small amount of each food group. The easiest way to ensure that the body receives the optimal levels of nutrients to tackle both physical and mental health issues is to make whole grains, leafy vegetables, and lean proteins the essentials of your diet. When it comes to eating, certain foods have a variety of beneficial properties that help the body cope with stress. Instead of having a temporary cure, choosing these stress-busting foods will help to heal and relax the mind effectively. The following are some of the safest stress-relieving foods. Avocado. Avocados are a creamy and versatile fruit that can be consumed fresh in sauces, dressings, and dips, or blended into a smoothie. Because of their high glutathione content, which directly inhibits the intestinal absorption of some fats that inflict oxidative damage, these nutrient-dense fruits have the ability to stress-proof the body. Avocados also have the highest levels of vitamin E, folate, and beta-carotene of any plant, which contributes to their stress-relieving properties. Avocado, on the other hand, should be eaten in moderation due to its high fat content. Blueberries. If you are stressing out and looking for snacks, substituting sweets or chips to one of the better superfoods is a super way to reduce tension and maintain a greater degree of relaxation. Blueberries contain some of the greatest level of antioxidants, including anthocyanin, which has been related to a variety of health benefits, including improved memory, concentration, and clarity of mind, all of which will help you cope with stress more effectively. Chamomile tea. Of course, it's not just about what you eat when it comes to stress management. What you drink will either help or hurt your stress levels. Coffee, energy drinks, and soda, which are rich in sugars and caffeine, will potentially raise the stress levels if eaten on a daily basis. Chamomile tea has been long used as a natural bedtime soother, and it has been shown to be beneficial in clinical trials for reducing the effects of generalized anxiety disorder. Chocolate. Although it's usually seen as an unhealthy treat, there is an undeniable link between chocolate and our mood. Studies have shown that eating chocolate can actually make you happier. However, that doesn't mean that you can start munching on chocolate bars every time you are stressed out. Chocolate works best as a distressor when eaten in moderation and as part of a healthy and balanced diet. Dark chocolate in particular is best for you as it contains more flavonol and polyphenols, two hugely important antioxidants which can help combat stress more than many fruit juices. Beef. Grass-fed beef is not only beneficial for the planet and wildlife, but it is also great for humans. Antioxidants in grass-fed beef, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C and E, can help the body combat stress and anxiety. If you need some more convincing, grass-fed beef is lower in fat and higher in omega-3 than grain-fed beef. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is amazing because it is a filling comfort food, but also has a lot of nutritious properties that make you feel good from the inside out. Oatmeal is a dynamic carbohydrate that allows the brain to generate more serotonin, a feel-good hormone that makes you feel calmer and less anxious. According to studies, children who eat oatmeal for breakfast are much sharper in the morning at school than children who eat other breakfast foods. Walnuts. If you are looking for a nutritious snack that will help you manage your stress levels, walnuts are a perfect alternative. Walnuts have a sweet, friendly taste that makes them a delicious snack or addiction to a dessert. Walnut is a nutritious nut that can be used in salads or added to a tasty treat like coffee and walnut cake. Pistachios. Pistachios are another perfect snacking item that can also aid with depression and anxiety in the long run. When you eat 2 thin snack-sized pieces of pistachio a day, you will reduce artery constriction and place less pressure on your heart by further dilating your arteries, according to studies. Additionally, the rhythmic, repeated process of shelling pistachios can be very relaxing. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables is ought to be a regular component of everyone's diet. Leafy greens are high in nutrients and antioxidants, which help the body resist disease and feel better and more energized, in addition to reducing stress. Dark leafy greens, such as spinach, are particularly beneficial because they are high in folate, which aids in the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin, a feel-good chemical. Using leafy greens in your diet will make you feel better and less tired in general. Fermented foods. Last but not least, fermented foods like yogurt will help maintain the stomach balanced, which will boost your mental well-being and alleviate stress levels. Beneficial bacteria present in fermented foods like yogurt have a direct impact on your neurochemistry, sending healthy mood and behavior regulatory messages to your brain through the vagus nerve. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of stress-reducing diets. Please drop your comments below telling me what you have learned so far. And if you are enjoying this video, please like and share so others can benefit from the knowledge. Let us discuss putting your diet plan together. Meal planning is important not just for remaining physically fit and safe, but also for staying emotionally stable and managing your stress levels. Knowing which food to skip and which foods to look for as a snack while you are nervous or stressed is crucial to gaining control of your feelings and fears. When you are tired, you can be inclined to reach for traditional comfort foods, which are typically high in fat, starchy, or greasy. However, while these foods might make you feel better for a short time, they will make you feel bad in the long run. New berries, dark chocolate, yogurt, walnuts or pistachios, or even a strawberry smoothie with avocado and leafy greens can make you feel happier in the short and long term when it comes to tension. When it comes to combating and coping with depression in the long term, it's important to ensure that you are maintaining a safe and balanced diet for the most part. To keep on schedule, make a weekly meal schedule and plan ahead, and ensure that you have a decent supply of these stress-busting ingredients in your kitchen to prepare meals and snacks when you are feeling stressed. Including foods like lean proteins and leafy green vegetables in the majority of your meals will not only help you feel better overall, but it will also boost your mental well-being and stress levels. A balanced stress-relieving menu could look like this: oatmeal with berries or a fruit smoothie with avocado and berries for breakfast. Natural yogurt with strawberries or a pinch of pistachio nuts for a mid-morning snack. Lunch: a salad of whole grain pasta with lots of leafy greens. Dark chocolate as an afternoon snack. Green-fed beef and vegetables for dinner. Chamomile tea before bedtime. Of course, you don't have to stick to this menu, but is a decent starting point. When consuming things like almonds, cocoa, cheese, or avocado, remember to indulge in moderation. As the saying goes, you are what you eat, so make sure you are filled up with meals that are healthy for your mental health first and foremost. Thank you for watching our video that explains stress-reducing diet. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.